Hey guys, we're live.
Hello
Sorry was
Hello,
everyone.
hello, hello.
oh my god, Gabriel is back and Gabriel. Okay. Wait, I will introduce
Uh,
everyone the moment we get some audience. Right now, I'm not seeing anyone.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the state of life these days. But sorry for the delay. I tried to hold the quiz many times, but Nishant
yeah,
had just
people
not
were talking.
he had not installed Telegram on his new phone. So you're like, fuck it, I don't care. And Anshul, I don't know what he was doing. Tarun is the only one who wanted to play.
Yeah,
Okay. Anyway,
Nishant was
before
filled with too many burgers.
too many burgers.
Yeah,
Okay, so guys, today we have Nishant all the way from Gurgaon. We've got Anshul all the way from Bombay.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, we've got Tarun all the way from Pune.
yeah.
Saurabh, thank you. He says I look pretty as usual. Like this is
Wow.
now our life. Okay, we've got like three players who always play, and we've got
And one
Saurabh.
audience.
What of it?
Wait, I'm trying to get more people.
Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Your team has arrived. Uh,
Yeah,
Team
finally.
Anshul.
Oh,
Let's go,
Crazy.
Vardhan.
Anshul. Okay,
Vardhan.
Anshul, sir, big fan.
oh
इतना नहीं
God.
करना था. इतना नहीं करना था.
When were you knighted, Anshul?
Okay, we've got Sanskriti is here.
Yeah,
All
welcome.
right,
Yeah, all the way
and
from Kalwa.
there's one person on team Tarun. All
Yeah,
right, the guys.
I
This
paid
quiz
him.
is going to be on. This quiz is going to be about chemistry. Okay, it's a very informal quiz. There is nothing to be won, and it's more about figuring out the answer rather than being a boring know-it-all. Okay, so
I
you are
mean,
free to.
isn't
Oh
that
my
what we
god!
always do?
Yeah, it
Oh,
is what you
Sweta
always
is
do.
here.
Shweta is here. Excellent.
Let's go.
Uh, Liar,
Liar,
no
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 money.
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 Okay. Okay, I am so impressed. Okay, we've got no one on
Oh, yeah.
Nishant's team, so Nishant will have to just make do without.
He's
I
still
have
a
my team
winner.
I
right
mean, I
here.
mean, in
I have my
other.
team right here.
You
Oh,
Well,
only
I
use
can
on
do.
my
I can do
show.
you one
You
better.
only,
I can do you one
what
better.
what is that? What the fuck?
It's
who is
a
that?
it's a Funko Pop of Gran Torino. He's a like an anime character.
Oh,
Okay, let's start. Chemistry 101. I hope you all remember something from school. Do you?
I fucking forgot everything.
Okay.
my mother
Let's
used to
begin.
teach me chemistry.
Okay, excellent. Right, let's start with Nishant's question. And Nishant's question is, um, you know the chemical way that you write water, right? H2O. But that's not exactly the way you pronounce it. What is the actual chemical name for water?
Eh? I think it's मतलब water को तो water ही बोलते हैं, like
No, I want the chemical name. And it's not H.
अब
I don't
अगर
want you to just tell me H2O. I want you to
अब
tell me like,
डाइहाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड अगर बोला तो
हाँ
that
हाँ
is
बोलो. That's
I
exactly what I
said
want.
dihydrogen oxide.
Dihydrogen oxide.
But
Not
matlab,
correct.
there is a name similar to that no one in the world of science refers to it as this name. Like H2O is
But
not referred by
Yeah,
that name. Like
but
H2SO4 is not called dihydrogen sulfate. It is not.
exactly.
What the fuck?
Hydrogen sulfate they call
this
it,
is
no? Oh,
no, this is
Hydrogen
official.
sulfide है जो, but that is H2S. But anyway.
This is official. Okay, I'm going to pass this to Anshul. What do you
Wait,
call water?
H2O, na? Okay. So guys, before you were gone, I had gotten a total of 70 in chemistry. After that, I never touched chemistry since 10th standard. So basically, since 2018, मैंने chemistry को तरफ देखा भी नहीं है. But I am going to go with an educated guess. Since there are two hydrogen molecules, molecules ही बोलते हैं ना, atom बोलते हैं. It's called meso. नहीं,
hydrogen.
Japanese नहीं है. Okay.
Bolo.
Okay. Since there are two hydrogen atoms या molecules, मैं भूल गया.
Atoms.
Atoms है. हाँ.
Atoms. Since there are two hydrogen atoms, di तो आएगा, dihydro आएगा. Since there's one, there will be oxygen. What was Nishant's guess again? I forgot.
I said
He said
dihydrogen oxide. Oxide really does not make sense. Both words.
That's
But
actually I feel that would be correct, dihydrogen oxide. So I'm gonna go with that one only. Like,
Why? I have
अरे वो
asked
गलत
you.
है ना? Why are you going with that one?
you didn't say it. He didn't exactly make that guess, and you didn't say it's wrong.
No, I made
Okay.
that guess only. I just also said कि that guess
अबे
did not
अगर सही
exist.
होता तो पास क्यों होगा रे तेरे पास?
Okay, I'm
ठीक है,
asking
so
Tarun. Tarun,
I would say hydrogen oxide
why would you say that?
because
that's only one atom
hydrogen
of both.
can't. हाँ तो one atom of both can't exist this thing ना
Okay, I'm going to give you all the
alone.
answer since you're like, it's dihydrogen monoxide.
Mother.
Oh,
Oh.
और तो मतलब मैं करेक्ट पटरी पे था.
Everyone was
Dihydrogen.
there, but
He was on the
only.
right track as well, Nishant.
Yeah, everyone is on the right track. Okay, I'm coming now to Tarun's question. Sorry, no, Anshu's question.
Oh,
Anshu, you
Anshu.
will love this question. Okay,
Okay.
glass. The material
Glass.
glass, is it
Yes.
solid, liquid, or gas?
What?
The material
Okay.
glass, is it solid, liquid, or gas?
Trick question. Glass is made of glass.
हाँ वही तो पूछा है सॉलिड है
Okay,
लिक्विड है ग्लास
the material glass,
it's a
is
new
it?
state.
See,
It's in a
because
reflective state.
ये मेरे को ट्रिक क्वेश्चन लग रहा है. Is it one of these three things?
Yeah, it is.
Definitely not gas though, because for gas it has. Okay, I feel solid is the straight shot answer, but if I say the
Maybe it's a
solid,
straight
you'll
shot
be like,
question. Maybe it's a straight
yeah,
shot question. Maybe it's just that simple.
it's never
See,
simple in these questions, Kajol.
uh,
I've seen you say that something is wrong to something that is so very obvious. Aside, unless the answer is giraffe. Unless the answer is
hmm,
giraffe.
Bolo, solid, liquid, or gas?
I'm actually confused right now. I'm overthinking. I'm going. I mean,
बोल दे,
so-
solid बोल दे.
solid.
Solid. Okay. I'm not going to reveal the answer. I'm going to just pass it to Tarun. Tarun, what do you feel? Is it solid,
see,
liquid, or
I'm going
gas?
to ask you a counter question. You're asking the state of physical state of glass at what temperature? Is it
At,
room
Good
at,
question.
temperature or
at room
That is
temperature.
that is going to be.
At room
yeah?
temperature. The way we use it. The way we
As a
use it.
framing of the question, it did not specify which temperature. So like,
Yeah,
Okay. But now
as
I've
we use it,
specified.
if you say as we use it, then I would go with solid only.
Okay. And Nishant, what do you think?
Solid.
Solid. Okay. Glass is a liquid. It is a
Oh,
very,
please.
very slow moving liquid. It is a super cooled liquid at room temperature. So it is a
Kajol.
liquid.
So what is the super cool liquid? By that logic, dry ice is a gas
Yeah,
yeah,
dry
At
ice.
room,
it
because
is.
it's a
at
super
room
cooled
temp,
gas. No,
yeah,
It
it
is.
is.
no,
But
but
glass,
dry ice is a solid. It is the solid
Ice
form of
itself is a
carbon
solid.
dioxide.
no, no,
So
dry ice and
ice,
ice are different.
so no, dry ice is solid carbon dioxide.
Yes, but
So
at room temperature, it is a
it's a
gas.
super at room temperature water is a liquid, but now it's super cooled, right? So we are obviously talking about a super cooled variant of it.
Uh,
Mercury is a metal, but it's a liquid.
But
Gallium is a solid, can be chewed.
no,
So
but at room temperature, the glass
yeah,
that we use is a liquid. It is a liquid at room temperature.
it is a
It
solid.
is no, it is a
it's a
very
solid.
slow
It is a
moving.
liquid at
No,
high
it is
temperatures.
no, it is a very slow moving liquid.
Oh,
Interesting.
Kajol.
Interesting knowledge that I'll never use.
ये
So,
ये बाद में ग्रुप पे लड़ेंगे इसको
हाँ ग्रुप में डालेंगे ये चीज.
इसको ग्रुप पे डालेंगे. I
We need an
actually was
additional
thinking
question.
something on the lines of कि क्या पता solid ना classify होता because of not having a set crystalline structure, but then organic compounds would all be liquids. So would be a
That's
liquid.
going a little more into chemistry than any of us
Yeah.
are capable of at the moment.
Engineer.
But yes, we didn't learn this in engineering. Okay, Shweta says so liquid holding liquid. Actually, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, Tarun,
interesting.
your question. Okay, Tarun, you will love this question. Okay, Which which one second, which element? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
is a natural antibacterial agent. Like when bacteria and all come and sit on this element, they one second. The electrically charged ion particles damage the microbe cell membranes and destroys DNA. So it is a natural antibacterial agent. Which element is this?
I don't know. I was thinking something on the lines of neem ka patta, but uh,
मैं हल्दी सोच के बैठा था. But now you want an element.
uh,
Bacterium. Wow.
antibacterial.
Antibacterial.
That is, if bacteria comes and sits on it, it dies.
Yeah.
Good evening, Amey Gokhale.
Lawyer in
Could
the
you?
house.
अच्छा नहीं ठीक है. Could you give anything? मतलब as a hint, मतलब heavy metal है क्या है?
It's a metal, okay,
Could you
and
tell its
Hmm.
atomic number? बता दो चलो.
just shut up. It
Oh,
is a
please.
metal. Go with it,
Hey,
and
actually, I have a guess in mind based on an ad I saw one time. So yeah.
it comes in a
Could be.
lot of ads. It comes in a lot of
Yeah,
Oh,
ads.
I so it could be
is it
that.
copper?
It is copper.
Yes.
It is copper.
Copper.
Copper is a natural antibacterial agent.
मैं सोच रहा था and then that Ken Taro का ad struck me.
Yes, 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 yes. They all use it.
I wanted
Tata Copper
to
Plus.
differentiate between iodine and copper. That's why I asked, is it a metal?
Oh, okay.
Ah, point.
तभी
नहीं
I
मेरे को
clarified.
element से
Go,
related
wait,
पूछना है
wait,
ना
go.
मुझे.
Okay.
Okay.
Tambe ka pani. Yes, exactly,
हाँ.
exactly.
Ambe.
Tambe ka patta.
Okay. Coming down to Nishan's question.
Hmm.
When ultraviolet light shines on some minerals, they appear to glow. What is this property called?
Glow in the dark. नहीं रुको. नहीं हाँ ठीक है.
But with some Ambe.
अरे क्या था यार. वही है कि मतलब ब्लैक लाइट के नीचे वो शाइन करते हैं.
Is it not
को
what I
बायो
think it is called?
या मेरे दिमाग में बायोलुमिनेसेंस आ रहा है बट इट इज नॉट दैट.
Hmm.
बिकॉज वो तो नेचुरली अकरिंग है. हाँ
Hmm.
वही.
The phenomena when
Ultraviolet
When
light.
ultraviolet light is you shine it on minerals, they glow.
huh,
What is that property called?
If no one has a solid guess, कोई hint मिल सकता है क्या?
What?
yeah,
If no one has a super solid
Yeah,
guess,
I
कोई
can't.
तो मतलब कोई hint.
I don't have a guess.
None of you?
I don't think I have because I don't think I can
ये
slumdog my way out
काजोल
of this one.
क्वेश्चन पास कर देगी hint नहीं देगी लेकिन
None of you?
None
Okay.
of us.
And nobody in the comments either. Fluorescence?
वो just fluorescence ही था क्या?
Just. It is just that.
अरे यार.
Damn.
Wait, so the definition of fluorescence is कि UV light के नीचे glow करना.
Huh?
only
What?
UV light. Huh?
Only UV lights?
One second.
Fluorescence can't just be only UV lights.
SE.
Damn.
Fluorescence is the ability of a substance to emit light after absorbing radiation such as UV light that is not normally visible.
That actually makes a lot of sense now that I think about it.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah. I
All right.
guess it's my turn now.
We're coming
तो
now.
चम्मच को चूल्हे पे गरम करना is also a type of fluorescence.
No, it is
No,
not.
no, no.
That is just
That's
glowing red with
radiation.
heat.
That is
That's
just
not
an Indian.
radiation. It's
That
just
It
is
is
just Indian.
radiation.
That is just
Heat
Indian
is
household में मार खाना.
radiation. Heat is radiation.
But no, the different. It's not. Radiation is a
No,
radiation
you're
is a
saying
means of transfer of energy, not the itself.
हाँ ठीक है okay you're right. हाँ. It's
What?
called
नहीं wait,
shining
what?
ray.
नहीं, why is it not radiation? एक second.
Like Nishant, what
Okay.
radiation you are thinking of is from a nuclear, from that new like radioactive material. But here's
No,
the
I'm
thing.
not thinking of that. No, not that
No, no.
radiation. That radiation is different.
Radiation is not
Okay,
energy
okay,
in
okay,
itself.
okay,
It is a mean of transfer of energy.
okay.
Exactly. Huh.
Okay,
So
I
you're
love
not.
the way y'all know everything besides the questions I'm asking. You're just great at that. Okay, moving on. We're coming now to once again. Whose
Mm,
question is it?
me.
Yeah, it's Anshul.
Anshul.
Anshul, I think.
Okay, Anshul. Bees and wasps
Bees
have
and what?
different. Bees and wasps have different kinds of stings. One is alkaline, one is acidic. Which one has the acidic sting?
The fuck? Okay, wait. I can think.
All I can say is this question won't pass to me. Math dictates it won't pass to me.
Which one has the alkaline string?
Yeah, the acidic sting.
Acidic string. I am going to go with. This is a trick question. Neither of them have. Okay, no. No.
Okay, that's your answer.
No,
Neither of
no,
them.
that's not mine.
Now it can pass to me.
No. No, that's not my answer. That's
somehow,
not my answer. That's
somehow
not
it
my.
can pass to me now.
That's not my answer. It's wasp.
कोई एक बता दे भाई.
Wasp.
It's wasps. Wasps
Yeah,
have the acidic sting.
I think. Yeah, I mean, like
Okay, let
I'm
me
just
ask
guessing.
Tarun now. So Tarun, which has the acidic sting according to
I
you?
I
mean, we have
think
only
I
two things
think
to say.
it's bees because bees make honey, and honey has a hint of acidic
Acid.
nature in them.
And wasps are fucking useless. कुछ नहीं करते.
Okay.
Genuinely
बहुत
कुछ नहीं
कुछ
Okay,
करते.
नहीं
once again,
बताते.
the bee's sting and the honey making place is at opposite ends of the bee. Okay, like
हाँ
the
तो
honey is
वो
in the
Taron,
saliva.
if a bee uses anything in its sting, it will die.
हाँ तो
It doesn't
even
stir
wasp
the
भी
honey with
the
Yeah,
its.
Even my
हाँ
guess would
it is
be
counterproductive to die while making the one thing your species is known for.
so that's
Nisha,
what
what's
she's
your
saying.
guess?
मतलब वो होता है कि जब काटते हैं तो वो होम रेमेडीज होती है ना ऐसी चीजों की. तो होम रेमेडीज में से एक
Hmm.
होता है बेकिंग सोडा डालना. And honeybee stings I feel are much more prevalent and common than wasp stings. So I will stick कि honeybee का
Bees
ही
are
acidic रहता है.
Okay. You are correct in that. The honeybee has the acidic sting. The wasp has the alkaline sting. But wasps are the ones who sting. They are bastards. Okay.
They sting
Honeybees
more,
don't do
but
anything.
they sting more. But home remedies and हमारे older generations people have these remedies because they used to keep honeybees वगैरह घर पे रखते थे. honey वगैरह बनती थी उस टाइम पे. Their exposure to honeybees was much more than wasps at that time.
Fair point.
Right.
Fair point. Fair point. Okay. Coming now to Tarun's question.
Also because मेरे को wasp ने काट रखा है and baking soda
yeah.
did not do crap.
And when you
Same.
talk about honeybees stinging, I think about Jerry Seinfeld.
Why?
Jerry Seinfeld.
He was the voice in that the Bee movie, no?
The bee
Oh,
movie.
okay. I didn't
Yeah,
know that.
Okay.
Okay. This is a
Yeah.
beautiful question. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Uh, this is specifically related to America. I'll explain why later.
very politically
Okay.
Which
relevant.
which metal has influenced the name of a profession? Okay, like because they had buttons of that metal on their uniform, we call
Mhm.
them a certain thing. Which
Oh,
profession are we talking about?
easy.
ये ऐसा मत बोलिए easy.
नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं. ऐसे प्रेशर डाल रहा हूँ बट आई हैव अ गेस. मतलब वैसे
Uh, कौन सा? So based on the metal,
They, the metal of the buttons on their uniform
Mhm.
makes us call them a certain word, which has nothing to do with what they're called officially.
Hmm.
Is it the metal or the color of the metal, something like that?
It's a name of the metal.
I don't
What?
know. I had a very funny answer, but could be
Say.
politically incorrect.
Go ahead.
Bola,
Who's
bola,
watching? I
bola.
mean,
Your digital footprint is an audience of like 4 or 5 people.
exactly.
I thought of something like copper niggers. No.
Okay, that is bad. That is bad.
That's
I
terrible,
know.
sir. It's not even a profession that.
Mm, yeah, not a profession. I thought of copper meters, but uh, buttons, pin.
Tin. Okay. Which profession do we call tin?
No idea.
Okay. I'm passing this to Nisha.
Copper, cops.
Yeah. Okay. New
Oh,
They
York,
used to be called coppers
American.
only.
Yeah, Peaky
In
Blinders.
Peaky blinders.
apparently, now this is only true for America, from what I've read. They policemen had copper buttons on their shirts, so
okay.
they were called coppers or cops. But in
Papa.
England, the way it originated was completely different. The Latin cooper to catch, so that's how
Ah.
they call their cops cops. I'm not
I
sure where
should
the
have
truth
been more.
lies.
I should have been more
Oh,
confident with my joke answer.
No, you should not have been. You really
No,
should
no,
not have
also
been.
copper
no, no.
buttons make sense. Na? If the cops got shot, तो antibacterial property buttons ही आ जाएगा सीधा.
Perfect. Perfect.
Some
Okay.
fucking pill caddy, but it's buttons.
You are one upping my joke, man.
Wow. That
Okay.
wasn't even a joke, bro.
Nishant,
Yes.
which element is produced by lightning?
Is it a giraffe answer?
An
No.
element of surprise.
Oh,
See,
it's from the burger quiz. No, this reference is from the burger quiz.
yeah,
I
yeah.
because
These
I
are
watched the
inside
quiz.
jokes now. These are inside jokes now.
Element is produced by lightning. Uh, यार ही पता है. Hmm.
Element of surprise.
Element of surprise. Wow,
I am
Tarun.
trying to go through the periodic table मन में, but I don't think it's any of the
Hydrogen.
initial ones.
Just one
Uh,
second. One second.
यार
Let me
इस पे
check.
वो बता दो. I think you should tell me the atomic number. How will that help?
It's not an element, it's a molecule. Okay, a chemical molecule. Sorry.
मॉलिक्यूल बनता है. फिर तो हवा में बन रहा है. हवा में बन रहा है. कुछ स्प्लिट हो रहा है. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज आ रही है.
Is it a, like a very obvious answer?
हवा में ऑक्सीजन
No,
है.
Is it?
from
Is
what I
it?
know, people don't start laughing during storms, so it's not nitrous oxide.
Is it gets formed during lightning. Lightning is good only for our environment.
Is it a solid, liquid, or gas at natural
Does something fall on your head when lightning hits? Besides the
water?
lightning?
A lightning.
I have never been hit by lightning so far. I know my
I mean,
jokes are bad, but that's not the reason.
मतलब I don't know क्या होता होगा lightning के साथ जो है.
sudden
I don't know. I'll say fuck all guess, but I'll say ozone only.
Ozone
O3.
is correct. Ozone is correct.
what the
O3.
fuck?
Yeah, lightning is a catalyst, as Amaya says, and it, I think, splits apart something.
हाँ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज होता है उसका इतना बढ़िया सा तो
Yeah.
स्प्लिट हो जाता है ऑक्सीजन के अनस्टेबल सोलो वाले मॉलिक्यूल.
But I hope no kids are watching this. Just
I was going to,
all of us don't do chemistry. Huh.
yeah, I was
What is-
going to say it creates a speed force, but like
A what?
very niche. Speed force
Speed force.
from Flash. It's a very niche nerd reference. So
Okay. Yeah, I didn't get it.
yeah,
Okay. Coming now to Amaya's question.
and Sanchul.
Sorry. Anshul.
Yeah, I get
So
it. We are
sorry.
the same person. I know.
Yeah, you're not the same person. Okay. Um, okay. This is an interesting question. Suppose I
Wow.
take 1 liter of alcohol and I take
Yeah.
1 liter of water and
Yeah.
I mix them
Party.
together.
1 liter
Well,
of alcohol and one
1
liter
liter
of
of
water.
water. I mix it together. The combined liquid is how many liters?
Seriously,
Feels
1 liter
feels like one
alcohol.
of those questions. Like is 1 pound of feathers heavy or 1 pound of bricks?
No, 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 it's not
Science
those
will tell
kind
you
of
that
things.
the feathers are heavy.
Like, science will tell that both are the like Yes, see, what we have is a drink for lightweights. So like,
Yes, but how many liters is it?
how many liters? Uh,
Assuming that the alcohol is not vaporizing, right?
We know alcohol is not vaporized.
Uh, no, you put
what is the room temperature?
It's not room temperature. It's all just fine. Just
uh,
tell me how many liters do I have now
So there is
combined?
1 liter of alcohol that we had in a separate container. We had
Yeah,
1 liter of water and we mixed both
are
yeah,
we
into
accounting
a
for spillage?
larger container. अब हमें जानना है
yes,
larger container में कितना liters.
perfect.
Are we accounting for spillage?
No, wait, there's no spillage. Shweta has poured it herself. Okay, Shweta has poured it. She's a bartender, and there's no
uh,
spillage. Answer the question.
See, really, I want to say 2 liters, but I feel that is not the answer.
Really?
Because it's 1 liter of alcohol and 1 liter of water being transferred from independent containers to a single container.
अरे बोल दे दो. Confidence.
But hmm, I am going to go with what was the question again? I want to hear the question again.
1 liter of
1 liter.
alcohol.
No,
One
no,
liter
the
of
last line of the question. Last line of the question.
how many liters is do I finally have?
How many liters we finally have?
Yes.
I am going to go with 0 liters in the containers that contain the alcohol and the water.
Just shut up. Tell me together in that big dekchi which you poured it into, how many liters do you have?
Two.
2 liters. Okay. Tarun, what's your answer?
uh, had it been 2 liters, it would have not made it to the quiz, first of all. So I would say it is going to be slightly more than 2 liters.
Slightly more than 2 liters. Okay, Nishan, what is
Mine
your
was
answer?
the ulta of that. I was going slightly less.
Why would it be less?
I don't know. I was considering alcohol थोड़ा volatile रहेगा and
Volatile. Okay. Nishant is right, but I'm not going to be very congratulatory because he's not given the right explanation. So basically, ethanol, which is the alcohol, is smaller than
C2H5OH.
which
Yeah.
Okay. Ethanol is the molecule is smaller than the water molecules. So they acquire spaces left between the water molecules, causing less volume
Ah,
in the solution.
I thought
interesting.
there'll be some bubbly gas forming inside. Um,
dude, dude, have you mixed old monk with water? So like
Yeah.
Arey, Old Monk has very little
Old
this thing,
monk
no?
is just 40% ethanol.
Yeah.
uh,
Wow, these are okay. You're really know your alcohols. Okay. But if you know chemistry or not, I don't know. Okay, coming now to Tarun's question.
Mm-hmm.
Tarun. Which is the one element which is named after a scientist? What is the name of this element?
Just one element.
Yeah, well, there's only one element named after a scientist of that.
No.
There are many, I think.
There are
One,
many.
one second.
Mendelevium, thurium, francium.
Okay,
No,
okay, okay, okay,
francium is
okay,
not
okay.
a scientist, but
Okay.
Uh,
Ditch the question.
one of prime.
Next question. Okay, next question.
yeah, again to me,
It's,
no?
yeah, it's a Tarun only.
Yes.
Uh, Tarun, which is the only alphabet which does not appear in the periodic table?
Hey, yaar, I've read this somewhere. Okay. A, B, C, D. D है क्या?
Oh, on the periodic table. So you're just talking symbols
Yeah,
Uh,
or the full name?
symbols, not the full
symbol,
name.
symbol.
Just the symbols.
just like a letter type thing, na?
Yeah.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen,
अबे
आगे का
ऐसे
भूल गया
गिनते
मैं
गिनते तो 20 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा.
मैं भूल
वही
गया
तो.
मैं आगे
It is better if you go through the alphabets and find one for each.
A, B, C, D. D, I'm not able to find anything. E, S, F, G.
Are you
I
sure
feel
you're talking just symbols? Because I feel symbols में there are quite a few.
Yeah, but there's one
In
letter
D.
which does not make it.
wait, are
D
we
makes
talking?
it. D is palladium.
No,
PD.
D is also dubnium and dysprosium. D is
Eh?
present.
Hey,
Yeah,
ये
you
कौन
just
से?
made this
What are
up.
the
You made this up.
Which periodic table is this?
which periodic table is this? Dubnium and dysprosium?
No, there are.
Maybe
अरे ये वो होंगे. These are वो एका इरिडियम एका वो सब है ना उनके actual name.
मतलब ये
It is
आगे का आएगा
updated.
ना.
It is updated
maybe
every year.
some
Written as
110 से ऊपर वाले होंगे
it's
जो
not a
पढ़ा नहीं
really
था
new.
हमने कभी.
Which brings me back to my question. Which alphabet? Take a guess now because you are not going to go through the whole periodic table.
भाई
Which
J या
alphabet?
Q में से एक बोल दो दूसरा मैं बोलूंगा.
Hmm.
It's always the same bet.
I'd go with J.
Correct. J
Oh,
is
thank you.
So we can say it in a way that the periodic table is sober as fuck because it does not have the J.
भाई this guy right here arrest. Justice for Aryan Khan. ये actual criminal. Is
Okay.
there a common question or something? That
Yes, it is. There's a common question, and it's a very interesting one. So, Dmitry Mendeleev is the inventor of the modern periodic table.
Yeah.
And based on the periodic table, can you tell me what his favorite game was?
Tetris.
Okay, Anshul, what's
No.
your guess?
I am going to go with wait. It could be it's a periodic table is a square. I'm going to go with this. So when did he make the periodic table again? I forgot.
Okay, I am not Googling that. Just
Okay,
go with the answer.
chess.
What? Chess.
Chess.
Chess. Okay. And Tarun, what's your answer?
I think Scrabble.
Scrabble.
I don't think
Nice
Scrabble
answer.
existed at that time.
Solitaire. He was very fond of
Hmm.
solitaire, and that's why it's laid out as it is.
Diwali
Tetris was
Salva.
such a better guess. It legit looks like
Yeah.
Tetris. It's so
So
ऐसा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा सा.
Tetris did not exist at that time, but like
हाँ.
basically the periodic table exists क्योंकि एक बंदे को जुआ खेलना था.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly. Okay,
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm blurred, but we have come to the end of the quiz. Okay, we will
Only
hopefully
one
be
common
back.
question.
Yeah, because I didn't have time, Tarun. I was trying to work and earn some money. Okay, I did what I did.
Okay.
I did as much as I
Did you
could.
earn money? Is the question.
Okay, guys, we please anyone else who wants to play, just DM me somehow, and because these people are very unreliable. And Nishan's already on his phone. Wow. Okay.
Very
Anyway,
sorry, I was
before
on a
I before I go, I am just putting my. I have a show coming up on Saturday in Andheri in Mumbai. Please buy tickets. Please, please. Okay.
Wait, there was only one common question.
Yes, there's just one
वही
common
मैंने
question.
पूछा था when you were on the
Yeah.
phone.
Sorry.
I will. Next time we will do better quiz. Okay. Next time we'll do better quiz. Guys, please. Yeah. Thank you for being here.
Also, what?
And-
Sorry, could you tell me
What?
the वो D वाले periodic table वाला वो कौन सा था? D वाला
Number
element
क्या
and
है? Which
Okay, I will read out
atomic
all
number?
to you because I have absolutely nothing to do more tonight. Wait, where is it? Okay, Dubnium, Dharam Stadium.
what?
What? No way that is the name. No way
Okay,
that is the
Dubnium
name.
exists. Dubnium is 105. ठीक है. What is Dharam Stadium? Sorry.
I am going to look it up. I'm going to
DARMSTADTIUM. You pronounce it.
Dharam
Dam
Stadium.
Stadium. हाँ तो these are वही जो
Karan Johar would be very happy. Dharma Stadium बन गया.
It's
105 से
Dam
110 वाले Dam Stadium.
It's Dharm
हाँ
Stadium.
वो
100.
हम
Okay, guys.
60 से ऊपर कभी गए नहीं है.
Okay, that's it. We will hopefully be back next week.
So
I'll
there is
tell
no
you.
element symbol with the letter Q.
1 second. Wait.
There is, these are unquadium, which is basically 114. It is just a numerical assignment of that number. उनका actual नाम नहीं existed.
हाँ, so
One second.
the
Extended
chemical
periodic
formula
table.
is
no, wait. The extended periodic table, which includes undiscovered super heavy elements, will still contain the letter Q. So it is a contingency for the future.
Oh
तो
damn.
Buddy,
currently
what
that
is
does
this?
not
So,
exist.
wait.
आगे
Okay.
तो
So, Kajol,
so एक second.
basically, it is making room for the element of surprise.
Yes.
अरे it is people talking in it is people in 2010 saying कि in 2024 there will be 70 genders. यही concept है basically.
I just have to go. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. And the Q is still on the periodic table. Okay. I did not get that wrong. Thank you.
Unquadium.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.